Well, start of it, the new house, the new dreams.
It's been many months since we last done a video, and I think it's time to give you an update as to where Deal Hunters has been, what have we been doing, and the reason for a long absence. Welcome back everyone to the channel. I hope you are all well. This is Deal Hunters. We are an FBA support group. We help people set up Amazon FBA businesses. We do it on the daily. We've got a great group of people. There's a free Discord that you can join right now if you're interested in that type of thing. But it's not a promo. It's more of an update on this channel. We provide you with lots of free information, and we've done that for a long time. For the last video, I was sort of giving you as an update. My idea was to finish up Q4 strongly. I packed up as many boxes right up to the point, and then I was planning to take sort of a long December and January off to enjoy the fruits of the labor, to enjoy what Amazon can do for you, which gives you plenty of free time. So I had done that over the period, and there was other things that was going on in my life, unfortunately, that I needed to deal with as well. One of those things was moving into a new home, which we finally moved into about 5 weeks ago. So I have now started settling. This is a temporary situation. I'm in the process of getting a studio built, and I'll share a bit of footage here that I did during the week.
Well, everyone, back covering more Amazon FBA stuff, which you'll see here is new premises. We have moved house. We now have, I'll show you some of the views later. We finally got our house moved on. So that's where I've been for the last sort of 4 months. Took December, January off, just why not? And then the house move finally happened about a month ago. So we're getting settled now, getting this all glazing put in and getting all this converted. We're going to convert this whole entire garage into like a studio / Amazon space for the YouTube channels and everything. So there's a lot of work being done, but we've just got a delivery in. And this is the first proper, well, second proper wholesale order. The first proper order that I've done in about 3.5 - 4 months. So yeah, one hell of a break I took, but listen, house move, getting kids to school, there's been a whole thing about it all. So yeah, it is what it is. The Amazon business is pretty dry, down to about $1,000 I think last month in profit, which is the lowest wage that I've had in, I don't know, like 2 years. But when you consider I haven't really put anything in the warehouses for 4 months, still something. So we're loading up the inventory. I'm more than happy with how the Amazon's going. No problem with what's happened over the last 4 months. The reason being, I've just got other things on my mind. So I'm happy enough. And I'm looking forward to getting this converted, and I'm looking forward to actually packing up some boxes here. So the music's going to be on. I'm thinking a bit of Metallica today. I'm actually really looking forward to packing up these boxes, so let's get it.
So as you can see, there's a lot of work needing done. It's a complete gut out of a garage. We're going to get PVC glazing, all that type of thing done to the front. The externals are going to be done first, then we'll weather tight the inside, and so on and so forth. So there's a good bit of work being done there to create a bit of a studio for doing the Amazon FBA videos, for doing Deal Hunter videos on my other YouTube channels. Really excited about what the future looks like, but it's been a long process. The house move was a disaster. Everything that went wrong with the whole chain, middle of the chain fell through, the bottom of the chain fell through. The house that we bought, there was issues there with the owners, and that delayed things. So it just has been a painful thing. And because I was moving from house to a different house, and inventory levels, where was my new warehouse going to be? Was I going to do a warehouse? Was I going to use a garage? All these unknowns. I just felt I needed to get into the house, get a feel for where I was. I had a temporary containment storage unit that I was using for a while, but and I've still got it. But I'm in the process now of, when I get this work conversion done, moving all that stock into the garage sort of warehouse area that I'm going to be creating. So that's changes for the Amazon FBA. Deal Hunters has been ticking away in the background with the support group that we have, the team that we have, the other members. It's been constantly going. I've been pretty much offline for the majority of it, but I've been trying to help out as and when I can, and with support and questions. But I had a lot of stuff to get sorted in my life, and as you know, I'm the one that does all the content, all the YouTube sort of stuff. And yeah, thanks to the rest of the team, they've picked up the slack while I've got my ducks in order. And now that they are in order, we're back. We're going to be doing a lot of new content. We're going to be doing a lot of support calls. We're going to be doing just a lot of different things to help people continually grow their Amazon FBA business. There has been a great opportunity that has presented itself especially in Ireland, but a lot of people in the UK are getting the fulfillment centre updates on Ireland, which only opened a matter of about 6 weeks ago. There's a great opportunity here to get into the EU market through Ireland, especially if you're in Northern Ireland. This is something that you really need to be considering, because there is a very unique, fresh, brand new opportunity here, to the point where we still don't fully know the pros and cons to the situation, but Amazon are constantly updating us, and as we know more, we'll update you with more. And that's where getting into the free deal group even that we have would be of benefit to you. We have many different sources. If this is something that you're thinking about strongly starting, arrange a call with one of the team, arrange a call with one of myself. You know, if you want to know more, we're always happy to have a conversation with anyone. We've created a brand new website. I think it's going to go live probably in about the next 10 days, so I'm really excited about presenting that. It's far more modern and slick. We hadn't had a refresh on our website in over 3 years, so it was a long time coming. So we've been doing a lot of different things in the background to try and grow this and make it a better service for everyone. We constantly receive feedback and we implement that feedback to the point now where we are one of the leading UK deal groups / wholesale companies, support groups for Amazon FBA. So that's a great space to be in, and thank you for all the members that are helping us get there. That's really the video. I just wanted to let you know that we're back. It's going to be a bit starty over the next couple of weeks until we get the conversion done and get the new studio built, but the future's really bright for Deal Hunters. The future's really bright in general, and anyone that watches my other YouTube channels, we are going to be kicking this all off now. I have personally left my full-time employment. For those that know, I was kind of phasing myself out, different reasons. I'm not getting into that, but it's very, very good, because on Friday I literally have quit that job and I am no longer dependent on any dealing with bosses or anything, and that's been all thanks to Amazon FBA. That's been thanks to, you know, the different communities that I'm in. It's been able to allow me to get to a point where I don't need to rely on any company, because you're just a number there. Anything can happen to you. It's very, very important to be self-sufficient, especially in the time that we're about to enter, which I think is going to be very difficult for a lot of people. They're going to struggle with jobs, job losses, different things like that. You're reading every day in the public sector that they're looking to unemploy people, and AI is coming in to take their job and all this. This is why you need to venture into different sort of businesses, different ways of spreading your risk in terms of employment, having sources of income coming from different areas. And these are all things that we talk about on this channel and in the group. This is more than just setting up an Amazon FBA business. This is about a lifestyle, a mindset to be financially free and dependent only on yourself, and to provide only for people that matter to you, like your friends and families. I really do think that you should all consider joining the group, and if you do have any questions, feel free to leave us any comments down below or get in touch with us. And I look forward to finally getting back into making really good content for the channel and for the socials, and I will see you all in the next video.